Hi everyone, Tony here from Green ESS. Today I'm the Smart Installer Roadshow, Melbourne stop.
Brisbane stop, Newcastle stop.
Alright, so yeah, good afternoon everyone.
I'm manager for Green ESS. We're a local energy solutions company based in southeast Melbourne. We call this the G4 battery.
That can do more than just charge your phones. It's also part of today's giveaway.
Yeah, it looks excellent. I mean, obviously you got all your ports for everyday use. Could take it off grid, which is excellent. It's got a light inbuilt.
I think it's great because you can just swap it out whenever you need to. You know, if you've got an issue with a cell, you don't have to. The whole thing doesn't degrade. So
okay.
yeah.
So if you're interested in becoming a partner or just want more information, please get in touch or visit our website. We're always looking to work with new retailers who want to offer more than just a home battery to their customers. Thank you all for your time. Cheers.